Hey there, today we're diving into the incredible features of the Insta360 X4 Standard Bundle. A powerhouse 8K 360 action camera that's ready to capture your adventures like never before. With its stunning 8K or 5.7K 60 FPS 360 degrees video capabilities and Active HDR, your shots will remain vibrant and color accurate, even in the most dynamic scenarios. The Insta360 X4 makes shooting a breeze with its simple, AI-powered reframing, allowing you to focus on capturing the moment without worrying about lining up the perfect shot. Experience the magic of the Invisible Selfie Stick Effect, giving you that signature third-person view, as if you have your own film crew following you around. Whether you're using it as a wide-angle 4K action camera or taking advantage of the 170 degrees max view, the X4 ensures ultra-stable footage with FlowState Stabilization and 360 degrees horizon lock. Built to withstand the elements, this rugged camera is cold-resistant and waterproof, handling temperatures as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit and depths of up to 33 feet without a dive case. With an improved 2,290 mAh battery offering up to 135 minutes of capture time and a 2.5 Gorilla Glass touchscreen, the Insta360 X4 is designed for those who demand the best in action camera technology. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.